And here's the message in club payment.
What are we playing today?
Monster truck.
Monster trucks.
Yeah.
What have you got out then?
A fire truck.
A fire? It's a fire mat? Well, your monster trucks need rescuing?
Yeah.
Oh no. I think I've got something that can help rescue them.
Yeah.
Is he going to come all the way around? He needs to come all the way around. What's in the back of your lorry?
Megalodon.
A megalodon? You parking in your garage?
Yeah.
Is the megalodon going to help because he's water? He's from the water.
Yeah.
He's going to help put the fires out and rescue the monster trucks. Wow. You didn't have a megalodon, did you?
No.
Let's hold him up and let's have a look at him then.
I had a crushed car.
He's got a crushed car to drive over.
Yeah.
Hold him up. Do you love your Monster Jam monster trucks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had a crushed car.
Wow. I think there's some monster trucks that need rescuing then. Oh, he's fell in. Who's he rescuing first? Is he putting the water out? Him and Dragon need to put the water out, don't they? Put the fire out with the water. Look, Dragon's on a he's on a fire engine. That's it. Squirt the fire. Then Meggie can carry him away. Where's he going to take him? You take him to the pool to cool down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is there any more that need rescuing?
He just ran through the wire. He ran through there.
Who's that?
Brilliant.
Huh?
Who goes there?
Hooligan. Hooligan needs to put that fire out so Meggie can get in.
He done it.
Is he rescuing? Who's he rescuing?
Stonecrusher.
Stonecrusher. Where's he taking him?
To the pool.
To the pool?
Yeah. He's gonna drive into there. So what's done? He's going here. Now Stonecrusher's.
Oh no, he's fell off. Is he rescuing two?
Yeah.
He can't carry two.
He can.
Where's he taking them?
To the
Take them back to base where they can get mended.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to hold him.
Why don't you get the lorry out of his garage and he can help? Get him in the back of the lorry, couldn't he? Is that the safe bit near the pool?
Yeah. This where they get fixed in. But so much that way. That one needs fixing now. He ran through the fire. He just ran through the fire.
Is he driving through the fire?
Yes.
No way.
The one that goes that way. There's some more here.
What he's doing? You've got what? You need to rescue Race Ace. He's still in some fire over there.
What?
Race Ace is still in a burning building. He's still burning. Use Maggie, quickly.
There's a big one. I'm just gonna put that next to you, Daddy.
Okay.
To
Who's this one?
Dragonoid.
Dragonoid.
Oh, Hooligan just went through. This one. Traffic went through the fire. Ready to go. Jump through it. He jumped over it. That one jumped over it. He jumped over. They're all jumping over it.
Where are they going?
They both do them really. Keep running! Keep running through the water. And the fire. Now that here, there. Running through the water. And then the biggest one gonna knock it down. Oh, freaking Hot Wheel ones. Hot Wheel ones. let's go back to you, Daddy. The ones that I'm not, I'm putting the ones wet. This one was a little over there. Another ones are going to be, this one's going to be in the pool and this one's going to be here. And they're going to be here. I see the driver. I really feels the water. Hey. Hold on. I need to sort out. This one's going to be here, the mummy one. And this car's going to be with Maggie.
What are you doing when you're with them all now then?
I'm just the ones that are inside it right now are going to follow each other. They are. They're just tigging each other. They are. They're tigging each other. So all sorts of need to go in or go in. Go in. But they're taking each other. If they go in the water, while through the water, if they slip over like that in the fire and get back on, the stoke and go back out. Hello. Here's bulldozer followers. Bulldozer followers. Now they're getting on each other. It's gonna fall, Daddy. It's gonna fall. It's fall. Here. The ones that fell, just don't worry. They're going to worry at the ones that fell. The ones that fell was these two are very fast when you get out. The ones that want to get in, go to the mummy, just go there. But this one wants to go in, but it's not going. That's it's going to be, Daddy, which one's going to win?
Where are they going?
No, they're just racing, Daddy.
Yeah, they're racing where though?
They're going to race everywhere.
Oh, I think... Is it Stone Crusher? Stone Crusher's going to win.
I think this one.
Who won?
Traffic. If Traffic won, Traffic goes here. If you won. Daddy. The one that will get. Daddy.
What's the matter?
What?
What's the matter?
Broke.
It's not broken.
That broke. The black button broke.
There we go.
Daddy, we're gonna waste again, they are. We're gonna waste again. The ones that are gonna waste. Daddy,
Yeah?
think which one's gonna win? Daddy?
Soldier Fortune.
No, you're gonna think with this one. And I'm think with that one.
Right, so I've got to pick Bulldozer.
Yeah,
Okay, Bulldozer's going to win.
I think False Fortune.
Oh, right. Why is Soldier Fortune going to win? Is it because you've chosen him? Yeah. Who's going to win over the jump? Who's going to fly over the jump first? Oh. Who went furthest?
This one won. That one won.
Oh, right.
Nobody gets onto the floor. Like Soldier fought in class, so like he did, and these two are both winners. And the roses go up here, the roses go up here.
Oh, right.
So from what part then? The ones that they like it right. Don't take it. Press the bell button.
So what you're trying to say is, thank you for watching Archie's Adventures.
Yeah.
What else you have to say?
Don't forget to press the bell button.
Don't forget to press the bell button for notifications. You can say,
No, not that.
you can say like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Like it's a fight.
Say night night.